I was 14 years old.
I was 16 years old.
Was 16.
Time to bring the secrets out of the shadows. It's time to shine a light into the darkness.
For years, the Jeffrey Epstein case has been surrounded by mystery, political controversy, and global attentions. Now, in 2026, millions of pages of files are finally being released. But instead of closing the story, they are raising new questions. New government disclosure, political fallout across multiple countries, and fresh investigative reports are reshaping what people think they know about the Epstein network. In late 2025 and early 2026, government began releasing huge amount of previously hidden evidence. The US Justice Department released over 3 million additional pages of documents. The release included thousands of videos and hundreds of thousands of images. They were part of a transparency law required disclosure of Epstein related records. Officials said the files show evidence gathered against Epstein. However, many documents were heavily redacted to protect victims. Important detail may still be. By early 2026, authorities said this may be the last major release of Epstein. The files are not just affecting the United States, they are creating political problem internationally. Recent report a political scandal in Norway after link to Epstein appeared in document involving high-profile figures. In Europe, some officials have faced public pressure even when no crime are proven. Public trust is shaken simply by association with Epstein network. The FBI found strong evidence Epstein involved underage girls, but investigators said they did not find proof he ran a high trafficking network supplying powerful men. Authorities also said a widely client list was not confirmed to exist. No additional high profile individuals were charged due to lack of credible. Still, many victims question whether all evidence has truly been made public. Some new release photos and documents include reference to powerful figures and politicians, but official stress being linked in document does not prove criminal activity. Some files include unverified tips and allegations. Past release also include photos and records involving well-known public figures connected socially or historically. Millions of pages released. Some documents remain with due to legal ongoing investigation. Lawmark and victims continue pushing for full transparency. The Guardian, meanwhile, journalists and researchers are still analyzing the data, research for new patterns or hidden connections. The Epstein file may be the largest public release of evidence tied to a single criminal investigation in modern history. But the biggest question remains, do these files finally reveal the truth, or do they show how much is still hidden? The world is still watching, and the story may not